Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Always remember, if everyone likes you, especially when you're a crime fighter, a truth teller, and someone who challenges both the powerful and the willfully blind, then something is fundamentally wrong with you. Being universally liked in such a role is not a badge of honor. It is a warning sign. It often means you have compromised, softened your stance, or chosen silence over courage. Real leaders, particularly those in law enforcement, or positions of accountability, should never aim to be popular. Popularity is fleeting, and worse, it's weak. Popularity is a good thing. It's catered to the crowd, shift with public opinion, and folds under pressure. Leaders who chase popularity are easily influenced, manipulated, and ultimately ineffective. That is why I want to take this moment to congratulate and salute two of my fellow warriors from Squad 3, men I trained with, bled with, and learned from. Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne K.C. Josephs, who has served as our class captain, and Senior Superintendent of Police Derek Champagne, both of whom have recently been promoted to the rank of Assistant Commissioner of Police and Senior Superintendent of Police. We graduated together in December 1988, of whom recently been promoted to the rank of SSP and ACP. And I can tell you without hesitation, these men are not cut from the cloth of showmanship or gimmicks. They are not in for the applause or the spotlight. They are not contestants in a popularity contest. Wayne and Derek, yeah, KC we call him, yeah. Wayne Joseph we call him KC because he used to go KC. And Derek Champagne we call Champagne are leaders in the truest sense. Principled, disciplined, and focused. They lead with integrity, not charm. They inspire with actions, not empty words. They have never been afraid to make the hard decisions, to stand alone when necessary, or to put the mission above personal gain. Their promotions are not just milestones. They are a testament to years of service defined by consistency, resilience, and purpose. In a world where too many chase titles for vanity and relevance, these two have earned their ranks the right way. Gentlemen, congratulations. Jamaica needs more men like you. Men who understand that leadership is not about being liked. It's about doing what is right. And I can tell you that. And I can share even a recent experience since I have left the Jamaica Constabulary Force. When I was serving, I used to see them all the time. Yeah, KC, always refer to me as Christopher or Chris. Champagne alias call me Porter. Very jokey, yeah, both of them. Them kill you with mustard, if you understand what I mean, mustard. If you can't take joke, you can't go around them, man. Believe you me, especially both of them. They be kill a man. KC we kill you with joke, I tell you. So KC and Champagne are not fakers. These men are real to the core, solid, grounded, and unwavering in their principles. They have never forgotten where they are coming from, nor have they lost touch with the values that shaped them from the days of the Jamaica Police Academy to where they stand now. As my former squad leader and batchmates, I am immensely proud of both men, along with others from our December 1988 graduating class, who have recently been promoted. I know Shami and Shan, that are Owen Ellington, baby mother. Yeah, she had the first one to get the ACP. So these are not men who chase attention or crave validation. They are not concerned with popularity or playing politics. They lead with integrity, consistency, and character. Their promotions to SSP and ACP are not just symbolic. They are earned through years of dedication, sacrifice, staying true to the mission of service. And whether or not you want to believe it, today March 21st. So you know that how many years that? Wow. 37 years of service. Wow. I'm still the youngest on the batch, but congratulations to both men. So let me share something personal, an experience that I like the kind of men they are and why I respect them deeply. I want you to listen to this. An experience that highlighted the kind of men they are and why I respected them deeply to this day. Not too long ago, our batch reconnected for the first time since graduation through a WhatsApp group. After we graduated, the people go them different ways. There are some people from my batch where, if me even see them right now, some of them won't even remember them name, but me remember them face. I remember some people from my batch, legendary like Old Man Phipps. So yeah, Phipps, Andrew Phipps, them man then a whole man, because them man they did lean, You understand? I think he must graduate. Him and the next one name a old ballad boss one. Him name he come from St. Mary to them. They end up a special branch. And then you have a brother now named Edmondson, we call him Poop Tank and all them thing there. He was magician. I think magician was a DSP or SP now. Him, although I'm a batchmate, him never, even when him graduated, he never likes to be anything because call him Poop Tank. Because, hey, I tell you, man, like, I'm Poop now, believe you. Believe you, man. Yeah, man, hey, trading school was a nice place, man. In my time, we have fun. Especially because we were there during Gilbert and the batch came in, it was the 21st, March 21st. But Casey and I, we both share the same birthday. You understand? So me know say Casey I don't know boy still, you understand? So and me I don't know boy either. So as we see, so moving on. So it was a meaningful effort, bringing together nearly 100 of us. Cause it's a good. I said, it was close to 200 that we were graduating. But I was I was the youngest of all. Yes, me are still the youngest police in our batch. You understand? It was a meaningful effort, bringing together nearly over 100 of we at the time, despite the fact that some members have since passed away, while others are scattered across the globe. The group was administered by Woman Inspector Veronica Johnston Blight. Yeah, her sister now, Johnston. Her sister was a policewoman that they had killed in a. I think it was 88 thereabout. Them kill her. Our Dyke Road boy, them kill her and take her gun that had her sister. So her sister was her first policewoman to be murdered by a gunman. But all the boy them dead. Eradication took care of them and them thing. All of them send them straight at the departure lounge. Quick. You understand? Because then they rape her and kill her. Yeah. So she was one of them, and then you have a brother now named a detective corporal named Delroy Tikaros, and them call him Tyson Wilson. He come from St. Mary. Now within this group was a fellow batchmate from our earliest days in JPA. A man from my own community of Jonestown, Waterford. From those early days, everyone knew him to be a pathological liar, someone who always manipulate facts for his own convenience. Is a man him a feel lie even when him not feel lie, but it's a man still, hey, if you do not know him, it's a man him will can you out of your life, So the man stay, because the man they all come. Hey, if even right now, as much as I am talking right now, when the man they attack, you can't know if the man they are Jamaican, because the man they speak fluently like a Yankee. And me I tell you, say the man, police speaking, So I get a little backstory about him now. So we were, I joined the Navy and we end up now, so he's in the Marine. Two of us had the same base. And the man I tell me now, say, him born in America. I say, Virgin, which part you born in America? I like I tell man, because you understand, me know Jonestown you come from, like me man. I used to live at Waterford, I be then, and so him I tell me that, so I don't know what kind of people him get on him thing there. So a Marine now come up to me and I say if me know him, his the sergeant, him name Reed. Yeah, if I know Sergeant Reed, I say, yeah, me and him come from the same community at Jamaica, and we were cops together. And I said, what? So anyway, the brother tell me, say, hey man, Sergeant, the white brother say, hey, Sergeant Reed almost, caused me to be arrested. So man, I was at a club, in Fort Lauderdale. I remember the street near Las Olas Boulevard. Pier club down on that stretch there in a Fort Lauderdale. And that's a east of the. Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. I-75. Anything west side 75, say west side 95, no 95, not 75. East of the 95, I don't know which part, the rich people them there and them thing there, and you go west of the 95, and then west of the 95 all along to the 75, so you kind of in the wood, So they were at the club, and the guy said he was there, and Him say, boy, Sergeant Reed come inside of the bar and he was, and tap him and ask him if everything went. Him say, yeah. And Sergeant Reed asked him what he's drinking and him tell the people them and tell him and Reed, Sergeant Reed order two drink, one for him and one for him. And him say, boy, for some reason music I play everybody nice time I drink. And him say when him about to leave the box and them all out upon him and ask him where him I go. Him say, me what? Him say, come on, you need to pay for the drink. Him say the white man say, Reed nearly make him go to jail because Reed he had have the impression that both drink that Reed order, that Reed had pay for them because Reed is the one who asked him what he was drinking and he had to pay for it. It's a good thing else but I got to jail. So I tell him say, hey, I said about let's stay there, you understand? So we're in a group and I talk about it and and then even a police now in the group now I say, boy, I see him think the man do me and I'm catty and them thing about. And everybody still like me because people always them not like for create animosity or them want everybody for they don't want nobody for dislike them. Like me no care. I mean I tell you as it is. So yeah, so so when a back and forth unfolding between him and me in the group, I responded with troops, perhaps not flattering but truth nonetheless. I simply brought clarity and reminded others of the fact they had long buried or ignored. Rather than addressing the matter fairly, the administrators chose to silence me. I was removed from the group, kicked out for daring to speak the truth. My response, although accurate, did not align with their preferred narrative, so I was cast aside. But this is where leadership shows itself. Casey and Champagne did not stand by and watch in silence. They spoke up. Both of them told the admins point blank that they were wrong to remove me. They reminded the group that I had been one of the most hard-working detectives from our batch, someone who served with distinction and never walked the path of dishonesty. They vouched on my character and made it clear I had always been a straight-up guy from Jamaica Police Academy days. Their refusal to support injustice had consequences because of the admin's refusal to correct the wrong. Both Casey and Champagne left the group. They chose principle over popularity, and that decision, while nobly, ultimately led to a breakdown of our batch's reunion because two individuals couldn't set their ego aside and lead with fairness. That was the moment I realized something profound. True leaders don't go along to get along. They stand up even when it's uncomfortable. They speak out even when it means losing their seat at the table. They walk away from what is wrong even when it costs them something valuable. Casey and Champagne, congratulations again on your promotions. Your integrity, courage and refusal to play the popularity game are exactly what policing, leadership and Jamaica need. You both represent what real leadership looks like. Not just wearing the rank, but living the values that come with it. Big up my brothers. I salute you both. Not just for where you have reached, but for who you are. So in conclusion, I also want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the other brothers who have risen through the ranks and earned their well-deserved promotions. Assistant Commissioner of Police, Christopher Phillips, and Mikey Phipps, as well as Senior Superintendents, Aaron Samuels, Christopher Brown, and Dwight Daly. Each of these men has walked a path marked by discipline, dedication, and unshakable commitment to service. Their promotions are not just acknowledgement of rank, but affirmations of years of hard work, integrity, and leadership under pressure. They have stayed true to the oath we all took to serve, protect, and uphold the law, without fear or affection, malice or ill will. It gives me great pride to see members of our policing family continue to rise, not because they play games or sought popularity, but because they remain consistent, reliable, and true to the core. To all of you, Casey, Champagne, Phillips, Phipps, Samuels, Brown, and Daly, walk proudly in your new role. The nation is watching, and the next generation is looking to you for example and guidance. Stay guided. Stay grounded, stay bold, and never lose sight of the mission. Big up to each and every one of you. Salute. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out. Congratulations again, man, and respect. Champagne. and KC. All the best to you guys, and remember, just stay safe down there. Peace.